Hey, money makers, ever wish you could clone the success of top crypto traders and turn their wins into passive income? Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to earn from spot copy trading. Even if you're a total newbie, stick around, because by the end of this video you'll know how to automate your profits, avoid costly mistakes, and finally start making money while you sleep. Let's dive in. What is spot copy trading? Spot copy trading lets you mirror the trades of expert investors in real time. Think of it like having Warren Buffett manage your crypto portfolio, except faster, cheaper, and 100% automated. Here's why it's exploding in 2025. Checkmark low effort. No need to analyze charts for hours. Checkmark proven strategies. Platforms like Binance and Bybit vet top performers. Checkmark flexible. Invest as little as $10 and adjust your risk level. But not all copy trading is created equal. Let's talk about spot trading versus futures and why spot is safer for beginners. How to start. Ready to launch? Here's your 3-step blueprint. 1. Pick your platform. I recommend Binance Copy Trading or Bybit for low fees and high liquidity. Links below. 2. Analyze masters. Filter traders by ROI, risk level, and win rate. Pro tip: aim for consistent 15% plus monthly returns. 3. Copy and customize. Allocate funds, set stop losses, and let the bot work. And here's a game changer: diversify across 3-5 traders to slash your risk. I'll show you my portfolio later. Top strategies for max profits. Now, let's talk strategy. According to CoinDesk, the top 10% of copy traders earn 20–50% monthly. Here's how to join them. Fire the snowball method. Reinvest profits to compound growth. Fire the safety net. Only copy traders with 90% plus win rates on Binance Spot Grid Trading. Fire the trend rider. Use tools like TradingView to spot market shifts before copying trades. Oh, and never ignore this red flag. If a trader's max drawdown is over 30%, run. Risks and how to avoid them. Look, even copy trading bots aren't foolproof. In 2023 and 2024, over 60% of newbies lost money by making these mistakes. Crossmark. Putting all funds in one trader. Crossmark. Chasing hype over historical data. Crossmark. Ignoring fees. Binance charges 10% profit share. The fix: start small, use demo accounts, and always do your research. Boom! You're now ready to dominate crypto copy trading. Smash that subscribes button and turn on notifications, because next week I'm revealing 7 copy trading bots that beat the market. Drop a comment below. Will you try spot trading or stick to futures? Let's debate. And if you're hungry for more wealth hacks, hit like, share this with your squad, and check the description for free tools to start today. This is Net Worth Nest, where your financial freedom begins. Catch you in the next one.